This time of year, flying pests seem to bother us more than normal. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about dealing with wasp nests and bee stings right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet and Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet and Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet and Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. The best time to destroy a wasp nest is at sunset using a spray designed to shoot a stream of insecticide about 20 feet. That way you can use them from a safe distance. Make sure you wear light colors and no scented lotion or perfume that would telegraph your arrival. If they start diving at you, don't swat at the insects. Be still or move away slowly. If you do get stung, remember this: honeybees sting once, leaving their stinger behind. To remove it, you need to scrape sideways over the stinger to prevent getting more venom into the skin. Bumblebees, yellow jackets, wasps, and hornets all have smooth stingers and can sting many times. Their venom also attracts others, so get away quickly and wash the sting with soap and water. Then you can treat the pain and itch with cortisone cream and ice. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.